My name is Hoeppner. I am a PhD in neuroscience student and I am from Winnipeg, Manitoba. I came to Western because I knew I really wanted to do neuroscience, specifically psycholinguistics or neuropsycholinguistics. And Western is one of the best in the country for that. Specifically my lab, the Battery lab, was really what I wanted to do because it looked into second language acquisition. And so it was something that I was really interested in. And then my supervisor in my undergrad is actually from Western as well. So she talked a lot about it as well and really hyped it up. And I came here and I'm very, very glad I did. I did my master's here, really loved the program, so I decided to stay on for my PhD as well. So my research looks at how we learn second languages without consciously realizing it. So by listening to a language, can you pick up on the patterns that exist within it? However, I'm actually specifically looking at the difference between bilinguals and monolinguals at learning an additional or artificial language. So seeing if there's a difference that already have an existing two languages. We'll have them learning another one. I feel like the neuroscience program at Western is fairly unique in Canada because it's so interdisciplinary. So the way that the building I work in is set up is we have cubicles and we're encouraged to go talk to our fellow graduate students but also other professors. So that way, if I have a question, I don't have to wait 3 months for a professor to email me back. I can go talk to them. For example, I have a side project it's somewhat based on a previous previous study, and instead of having to wait for that researcher, I just went down to her desk, and now she is a contributor on that study. So I feel like having that access and that ease of information, having everyone so open has been incredibly beneficial. The research that comes out of here is really cool and really accessible. I'm able to go to symposiums that are completely unrelated to my field of work and learn something, which has been really cool. Volunteering with the Society of Graduate Students has been incredibly rewarding, and not only being able to help my fellow students, but also getting to know other people that I'm not isolated within my program. I would say if you're thinking of applying, make sure you're coming for the research you want to do. Western is a fantastic place and the professors are amazing, but if you're doing research you don't like, it's going to get very tedious. So make sure you do what you do because you like it and not just because you feel obligated to.